guys, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you the 4 positive impacts of starting a YouTube channel. Now I know that I've just started about a month ago, but I can already see how this will actually be good for me because YouTube is so much more than just shooting videos of yourself, doing things and then just putting them up online. And I'm hoping that by the end of this video you will get what I am talking about, and I'm also hoping that whatever inspired me to take this up will inspire you in its own way. Let me begin by answering this question first. Why even start a YouTube channel? So for me, the first reason was to use YouTube as a creative outlet. You know, it is always advisable to engage yourself in other things besides doing your stressful, serious stuff, because that will actually keep you from going insane, and trust me, I've been there.
Because for as long as I can remember, I've always been very shy and had a lot of self-doubt, and to make it worse, I even down to myself with work, stress and other issues every known 20-something or goes through at least once in her life.
So yeah, YouTube can be used as this creative outlet, and for in my case, for instance, besides studying and preparing for my exams, I want to embrace this creative side and also use YouTube at the same time as this creative outlet, because it just makes me a happier person. But it is also important that you give yourself enough and reasonable time to be able to do both so that you don't end up failing horribly. Now, the second reason why I started this YouTube channel is for contribution to the learning culture. Now, among other things that YouTube has been able to provide to its users, it has also created this desire to learn, or this learning culture across people of different age groups, and I've gained so much just by watching other YouTubers. Now I want to actually contribute to this learning culture in any small way that I can. So let's get to the main part of this video and get to know what are these 4 major positive impacts that starting a YouTube channel can have. So the first one is confidence. Now, self-confidence is not something that you are just born with, and there are many ways that you can actually gain self-confidence, and one of them is just by putting yourself out there no matter what the outcome or no matter what people are going to say about you. And I think YouTube is doing just that for me.
No, why do I keep doing that?
But with just 4 videos published on this channel, I can already see the progress that I've made. I don't know if you noticed, but I've moved on from making videos with just background music to ones with some text below some frames, and then to a voiceover one, and then I finally pushed and forced myself to just get in front of the camera and talk to the damn camera. So yeah, I think YouTube can help in building self-confidence. Now, the second positive impact of starting a YouTube channel is learning a new skill set. Now, I have a newfound respect for all the YouTubers out there, because shooting and editing videos is hard work. But it is also a skill that can be easily learned through practice, curiosity, and an actual interest in learning more. And I've never really shot or edited videos until a few months ago, and now I can honestly say that it is kind of fun, and it is a skill that I'm still learning in the process. Now, the third positive impact of starting a YouTube channel is problem solving and creative thinking. So for beginners like me, we face a lot of problems in this process of shooting and editing videos, and mostly it's because of lack of equipment and software, and most of the time we have to get creative and try out different ways to get a certain effect that we want in our videos without having to spend money on the in-app purchases. So this is basically training your brain how to identify, analyze, and solve that problem at hand. You will find yourself in such situations where you need some creative solution. Now, it may sound exaggerated, but problem solving is a skill that can be very handy in almost all spheres of your life. Now, the fourth positive impact of starting a YouTube channel is self-evaluation and decision making. Being able to evaluate your own work and identify where you're lacking, or what mistakes you're making, or how you can improve it, is the best way to improve yourself as a person. So this process allows you to be more self-aware and engages your decision-making skills, and also focus on making improvements based on your previous works. And that sounds like a good thing, doesn't it? So these are the 4 major positive impacts of starting a YouTube channel that I have realized in the past 1 month that I've started this channel. The question is, who can start a YouTube channel. I've always been under the impression that only certain personalities with certain talents can be YouTubers, but that is not the case. There is always something different or unique that you can bring to the table, or maybe just your expertise in something or some experiences that you can share, which will actually help someone out there, just like the works of many YouTubers have helped me and you. We often forget that YouTube is much more than just for entertainment. Best part is that you can just be yourself and do what you love. I've always been inspired by other YouTubers for the courage to talk to the camera and just be themselves, and just seeing how much they have grown as a person, comparing their first video to the most recent video. It is insane to see that. And even though it seemed like it was not going well for them for quite some time, but they just keep uploading video after video and making sure that the new one is always better than the old one, and always making improvements in whatever they're doing. So that is what I want for myself too. I want to be able to do that, being persistent and consistent in something that I take up. So I hope I was able to clearly put across what I had to share with you guys today, and thank you for sticking around till the end. If I've missed out any other points that you can think of, you can always mention in the comment section below. And thank you for watching. See you next time.